Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm super excited. We're taking a look at an awesome middle price point travel trailer bunkhouse unit. This is the 2021 Heartland Sundance model 326BH. We are gonna take a look at the outside features first, then the inside features. Then we're gonna give you 3 things we love about this travel trailer and 3 things we dislike about it. We're starting in 3, 2, 1. Hey everyone, again, welcome back to another video. My name is Matt from Matt's and Will's RV Reviews Towables. It's the World's Only channel giving you 3 things we love and 3 things we don't love about every RV that we review. And again, today I am super excited to be taking a look at the Sundance Bunkhouse travel trailer. But before I begin, I would like to say hi to Will. Howdy, partner.
Hey guys.
How's it going?
It's going good. I'm excited to take a look at this. Yesterday we took a look at a Heartland fifth wheel.
Yep.
So now we'll see a Heartland travel trailer.
Now, why would we do Heartland 2 days in a row?
So they can compare?
No, because all the jump boxes are dead, and we're only looking at the units that are plugged in.
That's right.
Come on, Will, let's begin. Model, and also leave down in the comments below. Yesterday's video, we started from the inside.
Right.
Let us know if you like the traditional way, starting from the outside, or if you do like that unique way of starting from the inside. Model is 326BH. The actual tip-to-tip length of this travel trailer is 36 feet, 11 inches. The dry weight is 9,948 pounds. And Will, the hitch weight?
1,148 pounds.
Perfect. Always remember, you want to use weight distribution bars no matter what. Right here, we do have a electric tongue jack. Beep, beep, push a button and it goes on and off your truck. 2 20-pound propane tanks go here. Can upgrade them to 30s. And your batteries go right there. This is the Heartland Sundance. It is a great built travel trailer. Aluminum framing with fiberglass sides. This is a nice fiberglass molded cap. Looks great. Right here we do have a rock guard right there to make sure you're not scraping and bumping and kicking and rolling your fiberglass. Sorry about that. And then right here we do have your nice pass-through storage. I love that it is held up by a magnet. We do have electric stabilizing jacks right there. And then we also have 2 entry doors. This one leading to that master bedroom. I love that. And then check this out, Will. We have a huge power awning with blue LED lights. Do you see that underneath
I
there?
do, yep.
Very nice. Goes the whole length of the travel trailer for the most part. And because this is a Heartland, they do use the Asdale sidewall composite, which is a green-based material that will never delaminate on you. Oh, delaminate. Delaminate. And then right here's your water heater. Coming on down the side here, here's where you fill up your potable water fill. Potable. And then check out these tires. Well, they're the Trailer Kings. I love these. ST225-75 R15. And you do have the Dexter axles. Also, this does have a heated and enclosed underbelly with the extended season package on. And then I love these solid steps entering the main living room area right there. Very nice. Coming on down the side here, we do have an outside kitchen. Suburban. Outdoor refrigerator right here. Very nice. Suburban elite cooktop. Okay. Very nice. Power and everything. Simple, smaller outside kitchen. Not bad. Not great. Not bad. Just good. You know? Coming on around the back, we do have a nice bumper for your stinky slinky. Spare tire carrier right there. And as you can see up there, it is prepped for the Furrion backup camera. Finishing up with the driver's side. What is this going on? Oh, wow. Very long and tall door entering that bunk area back there.
Pretty cool.
Love that. Right, here's where you dump your black and gray tank. City water connection, black tank flush. 50 amp power cord connection already hooked up to power, as you can see, in your cable and satellite. Very nice. And then finishing up with up here. Here's another place for you to dump your tanks. You do have a black tank flush right there. And then right here, the other side of that storage with a little solar right there. Well, Will, the outside of the travel trailer looks great, but the inside looks even better. Let's go take a look.
All right.
Here we go now. Here we go. Here we go. Whoa. Whoa, backward skip. Check out the inside.
Okay. All right, we'll start in the back with the bunks. Right here. We've got the living area, dining area, and kitchen here. The bathroom in the middle, and the bedroom in the back.
Perfect.
Where are we starting?
We're starting back here, Will.
Okay.
Now, you missed something on your walkthrough.
I know.
Very small, very tight bunkhouse. I'm not a fan of that. I do like how you have the door here.
Yep.
You got the sleeping situations right there. MCD shades, right? But, you know,
It's pretty tight. No hanging out in here. It's just for sleeping.
Just for sleeping and for pooping. Because there is a half bath right here.
You got it?
Yeah. Just hold the door open.
Okay.
We're not even going to sit on the toilet because it's already a fail.
Okay.
You got nice medicine cabinets right here. Right? Okay. That toilet does not get a prime poop position. No need to even sit on it. And if you hold the camera right there, Will.
Okay.
Yep. Man, this is stupid, bro.
Yeah.
Like, how are you supposed to do this? I'm sorry. I'm being mean. I'm not trying to be mean. And then you do have a pocket sliding door there. Okay. As you exit the bunk area, wow. Behind the TV entertainment center, you do have huge storage there. I like that. Over here, we do have the slide out. Very nice sofa. Okay. We have nice cabinetry above the whole sofa, held up by struts. Okay. Here's your windows. Very nice. MCD. And the sofa, we are looking directly across at the entertainment center. I like that glow behind it as well.
Yeah, that is pretty cool.
You got your Sansui TV, your Furrion DVD player, everything right there, and a fireplace right there. Notice the non-carpet. I am a fan of that.
Yes.
Then right over here where the dinette is. Oh, that light was on. We do have a dinette. Pretty comfortable. I like it. Fat man tested.
Fat man approved.
This does drop down to make a bed. Nice big windows. Again, we do have the MCD privacy shades. And then there is storage underneath the dinette. And again, it does drop down to make a bed. Well, Will, it's now time for the MSRP. MSRP on this travel trailer here is $48,068 MSRP. Sale price, as you can see there, we don't currently have a sale price, but we will be able to get everybody a phenomenal sale price by doing one of these four things. Will, tell everybody what to do.
They can call, they can text, they can email, they can FaceTime.
Hey, 301-906-0962 or MattsRVReviews@gmail.com. Send me an email. Or the best thing to do is go to MattsRVReviews.com, y'all. That's the best. You ready to buy this RV? Don't waste time. Click tab number 1. That takes you to a member of my team, and we get you the best price in America. If you have questions on this RV, not a problem. Click tab number 2. That takes you to an email that sends me and Will an email, and we promise to get back to you within 24 hours or so. Or if you just have a generalized fan question, click that 3rd tab. And Will, it doesn't matter if somebody clicks tab 3, 2, or 1. What's the one thing that every tab has in common?
They're going to get the best price in America.
Beep, 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 beep. Will, let's continue the video.
All right.
And before we do,
yeah,
Will is 6'3".
nice ceiling height.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Great. Cool. All right, starting over here in the kitchen. You got some storage up there.
What is that?
I don't know. This must have been in the show.
Oh, does it come with it?
I don't know. Sure?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Why not? Yeah, nice storage up there. Greystone microwave right there. You have a Furrion range hood here.
Hood range.
Backslash that comes about halfway up. And a little window for your campsite to let in some natural light.
Very nice.
You got a regular faucet there.
Yep.
And a plastic insert, not solid surface countertops But you do have a nice single bowl sink right there.
Very nice.
Over here, you got the Furrion 3-burner cooktop. Right there with the blue lights.
Yes.
And the oven.
Yes, sir. Did you miss the microwave?
No.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
And a little bit of storage.
I got
right
distracted
there.
by the finger thing.
Yeah.
And then there is also 2 drawers right here. You know, so you never have enough storage.
That's right. And a nice Norcold. This is a 2-way, right? No, this is a compressor.
Okay.
It looks like a 2-way, I think.
Yep. I don't even know. I can't even tell on that one.
Yeah.
It's just a nice fridge, all in all.
That's right.
Cool, man. Well, it's now time for the shower test.
Okay. I don't know.
Nope. I'm saying a nope. Here's why I'm saying a nope. We could have given them a benefit of the doubt, but with how tight that bunkhouse is, we're not. You got your shower holder right here.
You gonna come around?
Nope.
Okay, stay right there. Is that plastic?
It is. And it's in a fabulous position. Right here we got more storage and more storage there. And more storage there. Here's your nice sink. And then that right there. Cool, finishing up in the master bedroom. You okay? You breaking stuff, Will?
Yeah.
Yeah. Finishing up in the master bedroom. Look at this. We do have pantry space here. Right?
Wow. Plenty of space there.
Nice drawers. Nice drawers. We got tons of pantry space around this side. Power over there. Oh, that's nice. You do have the second air conditioning unit.
Yeah, that is nice.
And the controller's right above the bed.
Yep.
Very nice. And then if you look behind you, Will, that's where you would mount your TV bracket.
Cool.
Well, Will, that's it. Oh, no, it's not.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, it is.
Oh, you're right.
Well, Will, that's it. That's the review. Now, before everybody leaves, it's now time we give you 3 things we love about this motorhome and 3 things we don't love about this travel trailer. I mean, Will, what do we do first?
3 things we love?
Yeah.
Okay.
I will go first.
Okay.
I do like the 2 entryways.
Yes.
It's nice. You know, it's bunkhouse. Send the kids to bed. You can come back in here. You don't need to wake up all the kids or the dogs or whatever while coming back into the camper after hours. That is a feature that I do like.
Yep.
Will, number 2?
I'm gonna say the storage, especially like in this bedroom.
Yep.
Like typically you'll get this and that's it.
Yep.
I love that they added this in.
I'm gonna combo that with the storage behind the entertainment center as well.
Yep.
You know, they did do a really good job with that.
Yep.
So that's number 2. And then number 3, Will.
And in this bathroom too.
Yep. Number 3. I'm just gonna say. Do you have a third?
Yeah, I thought there was something on the outside. Can't remember if it was a like or a dislike though.
I mean, the big power on.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, and you know what? You said it yesterday. The Asdale sidewall composite.
Yep.
That's a green-based material, and it will never delaminate on you. Especially for a bunkhouse unit, your kids are gonna forget and leave a window open. It's not gonna totally destroy your travel trailer.
That's right.
Great. So that's 3 things we love about it. Now, it's time for 3 things we hate about this travel trailer. Will, where do we begin?
Well, we gotta save the obvious for last.
Yes. Oh, actually, I did have a third like as well. That storage door on the outside for the bunker.
Oh, yeah.
You know what we're going to do?
What?
We're doing it, folks. You know, all in all, we're not going to give you 3 things. We're going to give you 1 super thing we dislike about it, okay? Because all in all, it's a great travel trailer. I like the 2 AC units and everything. Man, this is it. It's the first time in history. 1 super dislike.
Yep.
Either 3 dislikes or 1 super dislike. And it's all in this back area. The super dislike. 1, this is so tight. It's so stupid.
Yep.
2, why the heck did you put a half bathroom in here? Like, look at that. Like,
Right.
Will, use the bathroom. Right? Look at that. I mean, look at that.
There's no
That's
way.
not fun. And then 3, even look at this storage. Like, hold this.
I mean, it's good
like watch
storage.
this. Watch. Like, how am I supposed to get to that?
Right.
You know,
You have to be in the bathroom to get to it, really.
Right.
And then even then, well, yeah. Basically, you have to be in the bathroom to get to the storage.
And this is not a good bunk area.
No.
And it would have been fantastic if it wasn't for that half bath.
It would have, yeah.
And that's why it got the first ever super dislike. Come on, Will, get on out of there.
Yeah.
You stuck?
No.
You could be, because it's so tight in here.
Right.
Well, everyone, that's it. That's the review. Sorry for not giving you 3 dislikes, but we did give you the one super dislike. If you guys have any questions about this travel trailer, but listen, in all, there's not a travel trailer that's ever been made that hasn't been sold, so this might be perfect for you guys.
That's right.
If you guys have any questions, please call us, text us, send us an email. It is MattsRVReviews@gmail.com or 301-906-0962. That's my personal cell, or the best thing to do is to go to MattsRVReviews.com and click one of the 3 contact me tabs. In a few seconds, if you're in the market for a bunkhouse travel trailer, we're going to put some better recommendations right there and there that we think you should look at. Will, is there anything you want to say?
Of course. All right, like Matt said, this could still be a perfect unit for you if you have smaller kids. You really want that second half bath. Again, this could be a great option for you. Make sure to leave in the comments down below 3 things you like, 3 things you dislike. Let us know if you agree or disagree with us. Make sure to also smash the thumbs up button and subscribe.
Thank you, absolutely everybody, so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.